shade ng buhok. He is from the Team S. His hobbies include playing computer games, drawing, biking, and watching television. His favorite color is red. He wants to be an architect someday. His motto in life is our greatest glory is not in the never falling, but in rising every time we do. That's Neil Bartholomew Maglete. Ruchi Lee Kabukwason. Friends call her Ruch. She lives at Riverside, Calinan, Davao City. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kabukwason. She is a fourth-year Ruby student with the advisorship of yours truly. She comes from Team C. Her hobbies include dancing, singing, and declaiming. Her favorite color is pink and violet. Her ambition in life is to become a flight stewardess. Her motto in life is, what is beauty if your brains are empty? That's Ruchi B. Kabukwason. Francis Nico D. Lamanilaw. Friends call him Nico. He lives at Talagdang, Tukuk District, Davao City. He is the son of Mr. Domino Lamanilaw and Lisa Lamanilaw. He is a second-year software student with the advisory of Miss Marisol Panya. Nico belongs to Team C. His hobbies include drawing, playing guitar and any other instruments, t-shirt printing, as we can see with our t-shirts. His favorite colors are blue, red, and black. His ambition in life is to become a cartoonist or an architect. His motto in life is, ang ayaw lumingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa kanyang paroroonan. That's Francis Nico D. Lamanilaw. Okay, thank you.